Welcome back to a new price prediction, a price analysis video. We'll be talking about OGN and talking about its recent highs and lows and some of its bearish and bullish momentum that we see that currently happened in the last few days. We'll be analyzing such the analysis and talking about where I see price heading to in the future. But just keep in mind that we are currently, as an overall market, in a downtrend. So this has an effect on the certain projects that we're all in together. Okay. So without any further ado, let's take a look at some of the chart history that's happening here with OGN. So as you can see, right off the bat, we're currently down about 8.2%, okay, which is pretty much a really high percentage to be down for a whole day. But just keep in mind that the whole market sentiment is also down. So these projects also follow the trend with the market, and so that just has an effect with it as well. But that doesn't say that these prices could continue in the downtrend, because as you can take a look here, we have price reached the double top here, which was indicating a reversal to the downtrend and to the bearish momentum. As we can see here in the uptrend, we have here in the downtrend, actually, in these prices, we reached about 0.8 before we went into a downtrend in the 1 hour. And as you can see here, we also had a double top at these prices here at about 0.8312. So this created a reversal, and we had also in the RSI we were oversold. The same thing here with the RSI being oversold as well, which was indicating that there was a divergence, and also there was a MACD cross here, which we can see that indicating another reversal. And as you can see, so we had here gaps. If I do zoom in, we can see that in the market for OGN, we did have gaps. Okay, so there's gaps that needs to be filled. But I'm also drawing my trend line here for the support level that I see. Okay, and the two support levels that I see for OGN, since we're currently in a downtrend, and also we had the price rally down about 8%, which is very high. But just keep in mind that there's imbalances here, and there's an order block at these prices of about 0.6. So we could see price rally back down to about these areas here, and about 0.57 as well. And as you can see, we have price touch these areas of order block and support as well. And after that happened, we saw that we broke out of this zone. Okay, so we were in this downtrend, and price respected that order block and support level. And right off the bat, we saw that price had a big wick here. We had the volume also increasing. And but also we had the RSI here indicating there was going to be another reversal, which unfortunately at these levels of about 0.7, we saw the occurrence of this downtrend here that happened currently in the 1 hour, coming back to about 0.5. I do see price heading back down maybe to about 0.55 at these imbalances here that bullish momentum occurred at. For price to, in order to respect these zones, I want to see bullish momentum here, and also creating the support at these levels, where hopefully we see price rally back here, create a bit of support, and then rally back up, and maybe doing another double top before we could see a reversal again to the bullish momentum. That's what I want to see in the 1 hour. But keep in mind that we were in a downtrend for OGN. We also have big levels here of resistance that we can take a look at 0.7. So we are currently in this range of market. As you can see, price is respecting these zones as of now. But as you've seen that when price hit the order block, and we were also oversold in the RSI and MACD, we saw a big reversal here. So just keep in mind these levels, but also keep in mind that we had here some bullish momentum that was very high. Okay, a lot of you see here a lot of candles, a lot of volume coming in. And sometimes price comes back to these levels here of premium in order to just fill in the gaps, and also keep the project sustainability in mind, that when these prices come back here, it's a good opportunity for you to also get into a project. So if price does ever break these zones here of about 0.59, and we do see price heading back to 0.43, don't think about it as a bad thing. Okay, with the overall market being down, why not, take advantage of that? And so if we do see price break out of these zones here, retest back at about 0.5, and then maybe touch back here at about 0.43, Hopefully the market continues going into the uptrend, and we can see a reversal for OGN. But since we've been in this range of market for quite some time now, I do see price heading back down to 0.55, unfortunately. And I hope I am wrong, because I am in this project as well. And I would love for price to break out of these zones here, rebounds here of these recent highs that we had for OGN at these levels of resistance, before creating support at these levels of about 0.74, and then hopefully breaking these zones here of the double top here that we can see. But there's heavy resistance here at these levels, so I first want to break these levels here of resistance in the current 1 hour that we saw, before heading back to these levels of about 0.82. But if we do break these price to the of about 0.54, like I said, we could see a reversal back here to 0.44. But keep in mind that we also had this big rally here, okay? So we were at about 0.258, and then as you can see, price was in the uptrend before we broke this zone here, and we were just in the downtrend for quite some time. Volume did decrease a little bit, and that's where we saw our zones here, and then we finally broke out of it when we were oversold and also hitting some premium support levels, as we can see here. But we are currently in the ranger market, so just keep that in mind. If you want to get in the project, wait for some premium prices to come back, and I see that there's a lot of potential in it. So just be patient with overall market being down. Just know that if you're in this in the long term, it's good to just dollar cost average in these projects that you're in. Alright guys, that makes up for the video. I hope you guys liked it and found value, and I hope we do see OGN rally up in the next few days. That would be great. And alright guys, stay blessed, and see you in the next one.